Good morning, class 1. So let's continue with chapter 5, the keyboard. In the previous class, we have learned about the keyboard. We use a pencil or pen to write in our notebook. Similarly, we need a keyboard to type anything on a computer. All these things we have already discussed in the class. In the previous class, I have given you this my activity, page number 31. So you have to do this, children, and show me. So today we will continue with alphabet keys. Now let us see the functions of all these keys. Alphabet keys, you already know that A to Z is our alphabet keys. These keys are used to type words and sentence. Suppose if you want to type your name, my name is Rishi Bhujel. Then you have to type from here R-I-S-H-I, Rishi, and then space bar B-H-U-J-E-L, Bhujel. So in this way you can type words and sentence. Next is number keys. You can see, children, two set of numbers. This is 1 to 0, and in right hand side you can see also there is one set of number keys. So here also there is 0 to 1. From here you can type number. Suppose if you want to type your age, then you will type 8 or 9. Whatever age you have, you will type from number keys. Next is special keys. After alphabet keys and number keys, we will learn more about special keys. There are few special keys in our keyboard. All these keys are commonly used. Space bar key. You can see, look at the longest key on the keyboard. Just open at page number 31 and see. This is the longest key on the keyboard. This is space bar key. And this space bar key is used to give space between words, letters or numbers. So this is space bar key. Suppose Riya Bhatia. Type the name given on the left, see how it looks without a space. Riya Bhatia. There is no space between Riya and Bhatia. Now press space bar after Riya. Type R-I-A and then press space bar and then again Bhatia. There is a difference between this name and this name. What you will see, you can see that a space between Riya and Bhatia has been given. Next is enter key. The enter key comes in different shapes. This shape, this shape, this shape. There are two enter keys, children. It is used to move the cursor to the next line. You will go to the next new line after pressing this enter key. Backspace key. This is backspace. This key works like an eraser. By pressing this key, you can erase the letters one by one left of the cursor. If you click backspace, the letter will be erased. Next is caps lock key. By pressing this caps lock key, you can use capital letters to type. If you will just press the caps lock key once, what you can see? You can see that the light of the caps lock key is on. Now type the text. Whatever text if you want to type, you can type my name is Riya Bhatia. It will appear in capital letter. Without pressing caps lock key, your name will be written in small letter. For typing in capital letter, you have to press it in caps lock key. Now use colored pencil and mark the types of keys that you find in the grid. One is done for you. Here you can see enter, alphabet, number, special, caps lock and space bar. So all these things you have to mark it here with colored pencil, or you can do it with your pencil also. This will be your task, children. In the next class we will discuss more. Thank you, children.